You're so pretty. And I hate to let you go. Yeah. I love you.
Hindi ito fairy tale. Yan na pagkasunduan natin going into our relationship. Maraming pagsubok, may mga hurdles, but through God's blessing, nalampasan na natin ang marami dito.
Mike, love, Labby, eto na, finally, andito na tayo. Who would have thought magiging tayo? We were family friends and we never expected this to happen. Medyo tanggap ko na talaga na magiging single na talaga ako forever, matayo ni Lord. Yet here we are, a ring in my hand, with the church blessing us kanina, and now stating my vows to you as your wife, starting our marriage life.
Three years ago, getting married was only a dream. Our stars aligned and nandito na tayo ngayon.
When we started dating during the pandemic, I laid out all my cards to you as you also did. And you know from the start that this is not going to be easy. Sabi nga natin, hindi ito fairy tale.
Through every year and afternoon, here I have flown where you flew.
3 years ago, tinanong mo ako, bakit tayo lumalabas? And sabi ko sa'yo, ito yung choice ko. Ikaw ang choice ko. Sabi mo, bakit ako? Sobrang magkaiba tayo. Introvert ako at extrovert ka. Hindi tayo magkakasundo. Yung totoo, takot na takot din ako.
As I got to know you better, yung dating makulit na Mike is makulit pa rin naman. 10 times more lang. But yung pagiging makulit mo is what makes us laugh. Our laughs, our adventures, no matter how childlike it is what makes our relationship exciting.
I appreciate you so much for being the man that you are. I know that you are going to be a good husband to me and to our future needs. I will strive to be the wife God wanted me to be for them. And you'll be so much, and I'm always be grateful to Him for having me in it.
Marami na tayong kinaya, marami tayong kinakaya, at mas marami ang kakayanin pa. Pang forever na to. I love you, Tina. Ito na ang start ng susunod na chapter ng fairy tale na to.
On past the stars, forever calling. Your beating heart, I love you always. You're always on my mind. so